take a step back, realize who I'm rapping for, who I'm minding my passion for, who the fuck's really counting score.
Hey, what's up guys, it's IG-xxflycryxx or Flycryxx here today. In this video, I'm going to be talking about self-love and how people are going to be judging you and how, like, your family members and everything is gonna, gonna see you have a little self-love and no self-love, self-love, and they're gonna try to take that from you. I don't know, but you're gonna figure that out later on if you keep on basically having self-love and helping everyone else. I don't know, just helping yourself out before you help other people out, if you understand. And like, self-love is literally the most powerful plus most thing that people don't do. And like, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, I appreciate it. And yeah, this video is about to be switching off in a couple seconds. Not switching off, but turning on, and like going into the video. So yeah, I hope you guys had a good day, and I hope you guys are gonna keep on coming to my videos. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, peace out guys. The first thing that I wanted to talk about in self-love is basically having love for your body. And like, if somebody's wanting you to go send them a pic or something, I'm just saying, just question yourself, why are you doing it? And then, like, well, why is it even a fucking thing to even do, if you understand? Like, it's honestly one of the stupidest thing you ever do. I would rather just go and actually meet up with the person and hang out for like whatever time and stuff, like, as long as it takes. Alright, that's kind of weird. Took that to another part. Okay, never mind. Anyways, that's one thing you have to learn about, like, self-love and everything, is people are gonna judge you so much. That's the second thing. Judgment. Everyone's gonna judge you because you're not doing these stupid things that other people are doing that help them, but maybe it's not helping you, if you understand. And that's just basically another thing that you need to make sure you understand. Like, people are going to start judging you just because that you have a little bit of self-care for yourself, and like, you're gonna probably lose friends if you just find self-love, because like, all your other friends are basically just gonna, or quote-unquote friends. I have friends, don't tell me I don't. Okay, I have friends that I will like fight for and everything. I'm just saying that people are just gonna judge you really bad. Not even bad, it's just like, I don't want to use the word bad because there's good, bad, light, dark. I don't want to be in that type of stuff, but sometimes you have to clarify it in those type of ways to get it through a lot of people, or some people. Yeah, well, judgmental. You're gonna, once you find self-love, you're not gonna just want to go drink for 3 days straight. And I don't know why I said that, but like, if it resonates with you, thank you. And yeah, just self-love is one of those things that you have to find through yourself, and you got to be ready to find self-love. And if somebody doesn't have self-love with them, I would personally, I don't know, I'm not attracted to that. And just, for me, for a girl, I don't want to just have a relationship with a girl that will just throw her body out. It's like, it's not even interesting after that, like, in my opinion and everything. But most of my family members call me a little bitch. I'm just kidding. My brother does, but you gotta understand, your brother is your brother, and you gotta love him, you know? Like, your mother, your mom makes a lot of mistakes, and you just gotta go through it, and like, you gotta accept her ways, and that's just what I figured out over a while of time, is I have to just accept a lot of things that is happening, and then just acknowledging it and realizing what is the, like, what it is that I'm like wondering, not even wondering, what I'm feeling through other people. That kind of sounds weird. None of you guys understand that, but I hope you kind of is on the same track as me, and if you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. I know I keep on saying that if I haven't said it already, but yeah. And once you find self-love, you're going to be more confident in yourself, and yeah, just make sure your body's fine, because your body is basically an avatar, if you really think about it. In my belief, that our bodies are basically our avatars, and we're just living every single day, just walking like zombies, dude. But I might like get like in trouble for saying that type of stuff, but like, I am only 16, and I'm just growing as a human being, and I don't think no one in my circle or anything is going to be talking about self-love, self-confidence, and having love for yourself and everything. So I feel like I should be the one that talks about it, because a lot of people that are doing that is like not my age, and like, I feel like I could be a little more knowledge later on in my years if I actually keep my focus on something like this. So yeah. This video is so crazy. I'm not used to talking about this type of stuff, and I said fuck it, and now I'm talking about it, and it's kind of weird to even be talking about it, because like, come on, a 16-year-old talking about self-love, you understand? Like, what? All these 16-year-olds are talking about like the newer things that are coming out or something. I don't know. I just want to be the best person I possibly can by the end of 2019, and then 2020, and then the rest of my life, just being the best version I possibly can. And facing my fears is something that everyone needs to start working on too. So that's probably something that I'm going to be talking about in the next video or something. So yeah, I'm going to be talking about fear, facing your fears, and like, I need to go face my fear in a couple days, so I'll get back to you guys whenever I actually do what I fear for happening. So I'll get back to you guys whenever that has happened. And yeah, I don't know if I'm going to keep on talking for 30 seconds, but if I do, I appreciate you guys even still being in here and actually enjoying the video and helping me out on my channel. And thank you for coming into this video. I appreciate every single thing that you've done for me. I hope you guys liked, comment, and subscribed if you haven't already. And the next type of video is going to be about facing your fears. Peace out, guys.